Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. This is the first tutorial for AngularJS beginners. Today, in this tutorial, we discuss on the topic is what is AngularJS and what are the benefits of AngularJS and a simple example of AngularJS. Before going to this topic, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tools like SEO, SMO, SMO. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tools provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon, also can right click it notifications to watch me. Okay guys, I'm going to topic what we discuss on today, and today we mainly discuss on what is AngularJS and how to learn AngularJS, and what are the benefits of AngularJS and a simple example of AngularJS. First of all, what is AngularJS? AngularJS is a JavaScript framework which helps to build web applications. What is the AngularJS? AngularJS is a JavaScript framework which helps to build web applications. Web applications. Who developed AngularJS? Google is the company developed by AngularJS. AngularJS is an open source project. AngularJS is an open source project, which means it can be freely used. And change and check by anyone. AngularJS is an excellent framework for building the both single-page applications and line of business applications. AngularJS is an excellent framework for building both single-page applications and line of business applications. Many companies using AngularJS today, and there are many public-facing websites that are built with Angular. There's a website called madewithangularjs.com. Here, this is the madewithangular.com. Here, total these websites are developed by AngularJS. Total these websites are developed by AngularJS. Samsung Forward, Bank Developer Portal, Delta, VMware Clarity Design Systems, Standard, Center, Forbes, Indiegogo, BMW, Pioneer Dealer. So total these websites are built in AngularJS. And next one is what is the we are using the AngularJS. What are the benefits of AngularJS? First of all, benefits of AngularJS. Benefits of AngularJS is the first one is the dependency injection. What is dependency injection? Dependency injection is something AngularJS task. Dependency injection is something AngularJS task. Quite well, if you new to the new AngularJS is something dependency injection is something of AngularJS task. Quite well, if you're new to concept of DOM elements. Nobody, I will discuss that in detail with later videos. Second one is the two-way data binding. Here, two-way data binding is the model and view. The two-way data binding is one of the most useful feature in AngularJS. Two-way data binding is one of the most useful feature in AngularJS. The two-way data binding keeps the model and view. Two-way data binding keeps the model and view. Model and view send all time. So that means a change to the model updates the view automatically. If you can change the model, if you change to the model, updates the view automatically. Similarly, a change to the view updates model automatically. And third one is the testing. Testing is an area where Angular really shines. Testing is an area where Angular really shines. Angular is designed with the testing and mind right from the start. AngularJS makes it very easy to AngularJS makes it very easy to test on its components through both unit testing and end-to-end testing. And fourth one is the model view controller. Fourth one is the model view controller. What is the model view controller? Model view controller with Angular, it's very easy to develop applications. Model view controller with Angular, it's very easy to develop application in a clean MVC. All you have to do is split your application code into MVC components. That is the model view on the controller. The rest of the day is managing those MVC components and connecting them together. It's done by Angular automatically. Many more benefits as well as that. And next one is the directives, filters, etc. Control the behavior of DOM elements. Control the behavior of DOM elements using directives and flexibility that Angular filters. What is the directives, filters, etc.? Control the behavior of DOM elements using directives and the flexibility that Angular filters provide. And next one is we will discuss directives, filters, routes, modules, etc. with example in our upcoming videos in this series. Next one is to build Angular application, we need only one script file. Suppose we can build the AngularJS application. Third one here, a simple example of AngularJS. If you build sample example in AngularJS, we need only script file like angular.min.js. To get this script file using angularjs.org. To get this script file using angularjs.org. Here. angularjs.org. Here, download AngularJS. Suppose here we can directly download or we can use the CDN also. Several benefits of using the CDN. If you can click here, why Google CDN? Better caching, decrease in latency, and increase in parallelism. Total, these are the benefits of if you can use the CDN. We can also use CDN or download it. Angular.min.js, AngularJS tutorials. Here I am creating a folder, script folder. Here it can be saved. Okay. Next, we can write the simple example of AngularJS. Brackets. Here I am using brackets editor. First of all, I will save the file. AngularJS tutorials, tutorial 1, sample.html. Okay. Here I will write HTML language. after head section, we'll go for it. Right. Yes, and simple example. Okay, here I write do n plus 20. I should check the output. AngularJS tutorials. Here, yeah, this is the output. What is this? Here I am not calling the script file. Script source. And type extra JavaScript. Okay, next I will check the output. No change. What is that? Here I will write in body section. I will write ng app directory. ng app. Okay. Next we will check the output. Here 10 plus 20 equal to 30. Here these curly braces in Angular, these curly braces are called expressions. In Angular, these curly braces are called expression. This ng app attribute is also called ng directive. What is the use of ng directive? What is the use of ng app and why we write ng app? In Angular, ng app is called a directive. In Angular, ng app is called a directive. There are many such directives in Angular. There are many such directives in Angular. Here, Angular. We can go to angular.js, angularjs.org. Here, API. Here, list of directives is there. Here, list of directives is there. Total, these are the directives of AngularJS. Total, these are the AngularJS directives. List of directives is there in AngularJS. And next one is the we can find the complete list of directives. We can go to the angularjs.org. And next, ng app directive is the starting point of AngularJS application. ng app directive is the starting point of AngularJS application. Angular framework well. First check for this ng app directive. AngularJS framework well. First check for this ng app directive somewhere in the HTML page. Angular framework first check the ng app directive where it is. If ng app directive is found in, then Angular bootstrap itself and starts to manage the section of the page that has the ng app directive. We have include ng app directive with the body section. Suppose here I am right. Forty plus 50 equal to 40 plus 50. Okay. Here I will change this ng app directory in this view. Okay, once we check the output, yeah, this ng app is only apply for this view. This ng app is here starting and here closing. Previously I am written in body section, body here starts and here close, so it will apply total entire body. Okay, suppose I am right here, it will apply the entire body. HTML here HTML started. Total these are the childs of HTML. So it will apply the total childs, all the childs. Okay, here I will write next. Suppose I will write booleans. One equal to 2. Once we'll check the output. False. 1 not equal to 2. Suppose we can write 1. 1 equal to 1. It will shows true. This is the Boolean expression. Here, next, I will write the old JavaScript object. Here, I will write JavaScript object. Name. Once we check the output, their name is Shake. Suppose I write age. This is 30. Okay. Next, I will write Yara. Right? Correct. Yeah. Here, third one is the 0, 1, 2. The second one is the SHS. So it will show SHS. Suppose here write 0. Write 0. Yeah. 0 shake. Yes, 0 place is the shake. So this is the process to write the AngularJS application. So we can write AngularJS application. We need only two things. First one is the script file, and next one is the include ng app directory. ng app directory in HTML file. Okay, guys. Thank you for listening, and have a great day. Thank you.